Our screws are the best because we make them. I feel appreciated when they come and tell us almost on a daily basis we're doing a good job.
This is the reason ABC is positioned well for the future, and that is we have created a corporate culture at ABC that is focused on employee engagement. It is a very flat organization in which we engage people at every level of the organization to do what they do best.
I like my job, and I'm always raring to come back the next day. I don't see what could be better than here because they do have a lot of incentives that they do for the employee. And you don't find that with a lot of jobs anymore.
A lot of employers don't do near the things that Alto Brick does for their employees, whether it be parties, summer games, cookouts. It's important to me to work for a company that not only cares for their employees, but they care for the community.
I think the people here don't just clock in, clock out, they actually care about what's going on. That's, to me, a really good sign.
We've got an incredible organization. We got a lot of good people here.
Trufast and Spax fasteners are, I would consider, the best fasteners in the world. I know there's millions of other fasteners out there, but the way they function, the way they perform, I love them.
We are the #2 player in the market today, but I really think that our competitive advantage is really the employees and the production process that we have here and many of the capital investments that we've made that will allow us to go out and take market share and enjoy just the natural growth of the market itself.
What sets Trufast apart from other companies is our quality and the pride we take in our work. Well, we're always constantly improving. I mean, our competition is ourselves. And we just want to be better than we were yesterday.
Quality is everything here. Without quality, I mean, you'd run bad parts and then we'd never sell anything if we had bad quality. It's definitely more than a job, it's actually my life. I mean, I wake up every day, I come to work, you know, and then I think about it. If I didn't come to work, people don't have screws. They would be screwed.
Started out with just some very simple stamping presses, and this happens to be a little 5-ton press. The flywheel would turn by this electric motor, and as it would turn, it would actually create the up and down motion of the press here, and it would stamp washers. And it would...
Rodenhouse Incorporated was founded by Bob Rodenhouse back in the early to mid 1990s. At the time, it was just Bob Rodenhouse and myself. I was part-time, working my way through college.
I had an old beater pickup truck that I had for about $300, and I, made some local deliveries and stuff like that.
The company has grown rapidly, especially over the last 5 or 6 years, as energy codes are now requiring more and more use of continuous installation and air barriers on both commercial and residential structures.
We started hiring some other people that really could add value to our company. Every one of my employees are just awesome.
Strategically, we've looked for a young and enthusiastic staff who have been moldable. They've been very eager to please, eager to learn about our applications and our customers.
The community at Rodenhouse is really what makes this place tick.
I've never worked at a spot before where I literally come in and it's just, I'm surrounded by my friends. Like, we all have the same goal. We're all in it together.
It's exciting to see people so passionate and enthusiastic about their jobs.
You're trying to progress, you're trying to push yourself to be the best that you can be in your position. And when everyone does that in a community that's supportive of creative thinking and new ideas, it's pretty incredible to see.
Rodenhouse Incorporated manufactures fasteners for continuous rigid insulation, lath for stucco and stone veneer applications, brick cavity wall, commercial building wrap, and eaves.
What's really cool about our products is that we provide a lot of simple solutions that a lot of people wouldn't have necessarily thought of, but are ingenious in their own right. The ingenuity at this company is far superior to the most companies that you see around there where they become very stagnant. We're always pushing forward, trying to find a new thing.
Where our competitors might offer a much wider array of products, in my opinion, most are a jack of all trades and a master of none. We've decided strategically to remain extremely focused on our unique applications, our customers, and really provide the industry with the best products in the industry.
This is what we do, and you're not going to find a better alternative, and you won't find anyone more knowledgeable on the subject matter than Rodenhouse Incorporated. I can bet you on that.
The growth that Rodenhouse has been doing right now, it's crazy. I've never seen a place like it.
Despite the fact that we're a smaller company, we ship all over the country and all over the world, in fact.
You're going to see an ever-increasing demand for fully tested fasteners to assemble the wall assembly. We're going to continue to see a massive amount of growth, largely due to the energy codes driving that demand, but more importantly because of our industry focus on making sure the customer gets exactly what they need. We often say we sell the most boring product in the world. We're selling plastic and steel washers and screws, but we have an absolute blast doing it.
There's so many minute details that go into the structure of a building. Even in the small focus that we have, there's so many nuances to learn, and we focus on that daily, and we have training, and we make ourselves experts of that one thing that we can focus on, so that when customers call us, we're able to give the right answers right away, confidently, so that they can walk into their job site, know exactly what they're doing, and carry out their plan right away.